Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to my beautiful community, the loves that just keep coming in. I am so blessed to have so many people here that have like-minded goals, and I just wanted to share with you. So I haven't been online for a couple days because I've been in Phoenix following up on some business, and I am so excited. So I'm learning more and more on how to share with you and what to do to help my community. And I do want to talk to you about Wednesday night. So Wednesday night we have our live. It's at 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. But I wanted to find out, I had asked if anyone wanted to be interviewed and basically tell us your story. And then if there's an issue that you're struggling with, maybe we can touch on that. But if you're uncomfortable with sharing that, that's okay. But I would love to hear some stories of how you became plant-based. And I'd love for you to IM me or email me and let me know that you're interested. And we'll do a quick 2-minute phone call just to clarify what we'll be doing so that you can have your 15 minutes of fame, as it's called. And we can also do a recipe if you'd like. So I'm playing with that idea of once a month, just having someone from the community share their story. That's all. Just share your story. Tell us how you're doing. Tell us what you like about plant-based. No big deal. Don't want to make this any bigger than it has to be. And then we'll do a recipe. So I want to do a recipe for Tuesday's newsletter and for Wednesday night. And I was thinking, and tell me what you think of this, I was thinking about doing bacon using eggplant. I bought an eggplant and I'm dying to try it out. So let me know what you think. Wouldn't that be awesome? Oil-free, of course. You know we are always oil-free. So yeah, I want to do an oil-free eggplant bacon because we can also do another week coconut bacon and using coconut flakes as bacon. It's all in the flavoring, really. So let's talk about that. All right. So I want you to have a fantastic day. I am in my office, as you can see. I need to get your newsletter ready for Tuesday. So now that I've got it clear in my mind, we are going to do eggplant bacon. Give me some responses here. Tell me what you think. Okay. I would love to hear from you. Okay. So newsletter Tuesday, eggplant bacon, and we'll go from there. Bye, guys. Have a fantastic day, a super week. I can't wait to see you on Wednesday. And send me some information. Bye, guys.